Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Echo Street, come on to your hand. Me say Echo. I mean not talk loose, me a talk real. Street style but clean, and today me a highlight the source them too. Big up all the journalists them where I keep the nation informed. The real deal, straight from the headlines of the Jamaica Gleaner and Observer. With street side eat, no sugarcoat, Echo keep it real, you feel it? Police foil daylight hit, 5 dead. Gleaner says police foil the breeze in daytime, it in Jacksonville. St. Andrew, 5 men shot dead, 4 firearms seized. Instagram, Observer confirms 5 alleged contract killers died during the confrontations. Jamaica Observer, Echo said these streets can't breathe. Danger like technical and movie scenes. This man them business a murder in broad daylight. Who watching? A wealthy edge crisis Looms. Observer report over 70% of Jamaicans lack life insurance, and more than 80% of private workers have no pension. Jamaica Observer. Wanna make money now, but what about tomorrow? Echo said, plan for your elders and suffer for yourself. A SUMFEST, economic boost, Gleaner praises, SUMFEST is success. Hotel full, tourism box flowing up, Jamaica Gleaner. Observer echoes jubilation. Everyone felt the impact, especially West Parish businesses. Jamaica Observer, echoes say music bring life and money, but the real wealth when the vibes move past weekend and expand uptown livelihoods. Cricket cheers about in a park. Observer reveal see wow apologies for the entry chaos at Sabina Park during the T20 match against Australia. Jamaica Observer, fans urge the action, but police gridlock mash up the show. Echo set, fix the gates first before them blame fans. Reggae boys, World Cup push. Observer confirms Reggae boys start final round of WC qualifier on a way to Bermuda in September. Jamaica Observer,
Huge in a vehicle pass yard. Echo surprise.
sensitive roads need discipline, not speed. BA Forex update and nobody could see some. Observer notes the USD closing at 161. Chevy and 121. Jamaica Observer, also tax admin Jamaica rolls out and let Jamaica vehicle registration certificate. Jamaica Observer, money matter sharp, every cent count and vehicle paper now digital. Echo say, progress but can't lose it in a cyberspace. I buff my market set to open. Observer says a new 60 million marketing buff beer is ready to open next month. Jamaica Observer, local business get house. Echo say community need that, but ensure affordability. We need trade, not roadside premium prices. Across closing thoughts, from It Job Showdown to Reggae Boys Dreams, we see life cross the spectrum. Danger, hope, culture, tears. We praising progress, but must fix what kill we. Insurance, road safety, police protocols. Streets deserve peace, and the nation deserve more than headlines. Echo says stand up. All news source from the Jamaica Gleaner and Jamaica Observer for July 13, 19, 2022. Echo, when you come fi mislead, me come fi make you know. Subscribe to iDesk, skip and drop your view in the comment box. I saw Echo roll bold but always clean. And me gone till next link up. Bless up Jamaica.